Welcome to Laser Tag Combat Games Zombie Gauntlet. You're going to be walking through about an acre of land. It'll take you about 25 to 30 minutes. In there you'll see zombies. They'll have head sensors. If they get within 5 feet of you, their sensor will hit your sensor, you lose a life. If you lose 10 lives, you're out of the game. If you're out of the game, you're basically a dead stick. You'll also have some partners with you. And you'll also be armed with this. Single shot, flip it to 3-round burst. Here's the catch. You only have 150 rounds. Is everybody ready? Let's go.
We need backup right now. Please send backup. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I don't think we're gonna make it, base. Base to Alpha 3, Alpha 3.
Go ahead.
Please be advised, you're down to 5 healths. Repeat, 5 healths. 5 more to go.
I'm out of ammo.
Base to Bravo 2, base to Bravo 2.
Bravo 2 here.
Please be advised, that was your last health. You are now a dead stick. Please head back to base. I'm the lone survivor. I've been bit.